Welcome to the Tiny Toons world.
Red, blue, green, orange, pink. 5 little ducks went out to play. Over the hill and far away, Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to skate, sliding fast and staying up late. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out to bake, made some cookies and a cake. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out to draw, painted pictures full of awe. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out to sing, sang so loud it shook the spring. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But no little ducks came running back. No little ducks were in her sight. Mother Duck cried day and night. Then she said, "Quack, quack, quack." And all 5 ducks came running back.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.